This guide shows you how to repair or reset a Windows 10 app. Now this is one of the apps that you've downloaded from the Microsoft Store, or it might have already been pre-installed on your Windows machine. It's not like a regular program. When I mean app, if we click on the start button here, I mean one of these sort of new Windows style icons just here. So in this example I'm going to show you how to repair the Photos app. So all you do is you find the app, just click on the start menu. Hopefully it should be on your start menu there, but if it's not, then just type on your keyboard Photos. Okay, and then after a few seconds under Best Match should come Photos and then the word app underneath it. Move your mouse over it and click the right mouse button, that's the button on the right hand side of the mouse. Then you'll get this little sub menu appear. Go down to App Settings, move your mouse over App Settings and click the left mouse button. You'll now get this screen appear. Just scroll down, okay, and the first thing to try is just to click on Terminate. So move your mouse over the word Terminate and then see whether the app actually loads. If it doesn't, then follow those instructions again. So like I say, find the app either by finding it on the start menu there or typing its name in the on your keyboard, and then once the app comes up under Best Match, click the right mouse button, then move your mouse down to App Settings and click the left mouse button. Then when this screen appears, scroll down and here we go, you've actually got a repair on there. So move your mouse over Repair and left click once. Now I should say before you do this, really it would be wise to back up your system. It's very unlikely that this will make you lose any data, but you never know with these things. If your system's not functioning correctly, then it could do all sorts of things. So belt and braces, back up your system. You should be doing it anyway regularly. So I'm going to move my mouse over Repair and left click once, and you'll see the little circles spinning round just to the right of Repair. This bit might take a bit of time, but there you go, the mine didn't take too long, and as you can see there's now a tick beside it, which means the repair is complete. So just click on the cross in the top right hand corner of this box here and just try going into the app again. So and hopefully this time it will work. Now if it doesn't work, then we can go a step further. So close the app down by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner as I did there. Find the app again on the start menu or by typing its name on your keyboard after clicking the start button. Move your mouse over the app, click the right mouse button, then move down to App Settings, click the left mouse button, wait for this to appear, there we go, and scroll down, and the next thing we've got here is a reset button. So it says if this app isn't working correctly, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So here again, make sure that you've got a backup before you click reset, just in case it deletes something that you want to keep. Hopefully it should keep your photos, I think, but again you can't be 100% sure, so make sure you've got a backup at this point before clicking reset. So move your mouse over reset, left click once, okay, so it says this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you're sure you've got a backup of all your stuff, then move your mouse over reset, left click once, and again the spinny balls will appear just to the right of reset. Wait for the tick to appear, there you go, the tick's appeared, so hopefully now that should have repaired it. So let's just click on the cross in the top right hand corner of this box here and then go into the Photos app again, and there we go. As you can see, it's now starting to load up, so this time it has actually fixed it. So there you go, that guide showed you how to fix an app if it's not working in Windows. I gave you the Photos app as an example, but hopefully the same principle should apply on many of the other built-in apps and App Store apps in Windows 10. Hope this guide helps, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter, and don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.